Alright, what's going on, guys? Just picked this one up. Really dirty right now. This is a 2005 Infiniti Qx56, similar to the Nissan Armada. It's a nice truck. Do a full walk around for y'all real quick. Nice. Putting some premium fuel in there right now. Don't want to mess nothing up. So this door doesn't open, so I gotta open it from the inside. So I might have to go ahead and address that. But other than that, it's nice and clean. Nice and clean. Got the DVD player. It's got the headphones, third row seating. Very nice. AC works, heat works. Put this premium in there. Put that premium. Might need another cap. This cap feels funny. So, but yeah, I got some check engine light codes for Cadillac converter. Got two Cadillac converter codes, threshold 1, threshold 2, and it got a evap code. So don't got emissions on it. Where I'm from, you do need emissions. 206,000 miles on it. I just cleared the code, so hopefully that goes away. But it got sunroof, everything. This boy is fully loaded. Got a screen. This boy is fully loaded. Nice truck. Hopefully I can make some good money off this bad boy. Paid a couple of grand for this mug, but I know that it does have check engine lights, so we're gonna have to see what's up with that. But I'll be sure to do a video for y'all as soon as I get it cleaned up. Not too much to clean, but I'm gonna clean it up as best as I can, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, I guess I thought I'd talk and drive for a couple of minutes. So the steering wheel is stuck, like this button is not working, so that's unfortunate. That's what $25 of premium gets you in a 05 QX56. So I'm stuck with driving the steering wheel like this. Feel like I'm driving a big old school bus or something. That's what it reminds me of. But my scanner is not connected. Go ahead and connect that. But yep, like I said, got this bad boy for a decent price. It need tires and stuff though, but so I'm gonna have to probably come off the price, you know what I mean? But it's a good truck. It's riding. Every other truck I see on like Craigslist and stuff like that, where people sell cars, they're going for like some 8 grand, 7 grand. You know, you can get a cheap one with 255,000 miles on it, maybe like for I think I seen like 45 to 4, you know. So either one of those I'll take, but it's still a nice truck. It's clean, so I like it. I'm pretty satisfied with what my money, what my money done spent, because you could get a car and it couldn't be right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I guess I'll catch you guys when I get it cleaned up. And like I say, it's driving excellent, you know what I mean? So drive just like the Armada I had, which was I had a old what was that? Yeah, it was an 05 Nissan Armada, same truck, but it had 137 on it, and I sold that for 6 grand. So we'll see what this one brings in. This is a 05 QX, but it is Infiniti over the Nissan, but it does have way more miles than a Nissan. So we got to see what happens. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get my money back. But I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, good morning, guys. Want to do this video of the 2 trucks I bought. I bought this one the day before yesterday, and I bought the Murano the day after, so yesterday. I got it kind of parked in the trees, but it's a 2005 Nissan Murano. Unfortunately, like I said, this door don't open, but I know I showed you guys the car the other day, but it's raining. Just want to show y'all what it looked like cleaned up. So it's cleaned up. Everything works on it. It's just this damn door. I haven't even addressed that door yet. But it's nice, like I say. You got the DVD player and everything. I know y'all already seen it, but I just wanted to show y'all how it looks cleaned up. That's my Murano, so it's not too much to see over here. But let's go to the Murano. I need to see if I can fix this door. Alright. And here's the Murano. 2005 as well. This one got 172 on it. All the tires is good. I'll open it up for y'all. This remote wants to work when it wants to work. Come on. Alright, it's giving us a hard time. Remote giving us a hard time, but it was working yesterday. But nice and clean. 172,000 miles. Just picked this one up. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. But yep. Go to the front. Need to put some smell good in here. But that's about it.